Welcome to Worth a Squeeze. What are we working on today? I got this nice big box here. What is this box? It's a good sized box. Not too terribly heavy. Not bad. It's a big freaking cat house. That's what it is. A dual story, multiple levels, a cat house, insulated. I think there's 6 different cubbies for cats, and it's to keep outside for our inside outside cats while we're not home. So we're on vacation and stuff. They've got a good place to go because my wife worries about that kind of stuff. The brand on this is a Gulaimo. It's spelled Gulaimo. Okay? And we got it off of Amazon. Well, my wife got it off of Amazon. I didn't shop for this, she did. So if it sucks, that's going to be on her. So anyhow, let's open this box and see what's inside. If you don't like opening a knife like that, I mean, come on. There's something so satisfying about flipping a knife open. All right, let's cut it open. Got some instructions right on the top. I like to get all my stuff laid out. I don't know why, it's what I do. Looks like this is packaged fairly well. Pretty protective. I'm not seeing anything damaged yet. If you buy a lot of stuff and have it delivered to the house, you know that it's pretty common that stuff gets damaged in transport. Oh, look at the little doors. There's one of the door panels. Little flip up doors. Although they don't flip very easily. Might have to, like, I don't know, sand those up or something. We'll see. I will say that these materials, they feel pretty durable. They feel pretty good. This especially. Very robust feeling. Hey, baby.
Hey.
I'm getting it all laid out.
Nice.
You don't mind being in the video a little bit, do you?
Should I change?
Look what I'm wearing. And I got on my knee pads and my ninja shoes.
They don't see anything but your face.
Oh, they're seeing it right now. I think you look good. You can help me put it together. Actually, I would appreciate it because I've got the feeling some of this is going to be hard to do all by myself.
The reviews I read, a lot of them said a rubber mallet is helpful.
We got one of those. If you guys couldn't hear that because my wife isn't mic'd up, although I think we should get her mic'd up. She said that in the reviews that she read when researching, that a rubber mallet is very helpful. It doesn't look like anything was broken. And yeah, let's get to it. We're gonna go ahead and get this put together. My lovely wifey here is here to help. They can't see you over there. Got all the parts listed here on the first page. My wife pointed out before we even got set up that the pieces, each individual piece has the part number. Can you show them an example? Molded into the back of the piece. And that would be super helpful in finding the pieces.
Right there.
Yeah, right there. All right.
Way better than stickers.
We're gonna see how this install goes. Katie said it's supposed to be easy. So we'll see. All right, for the first part, we need D1 and B. There's your rubber dead blow hammer. All right. So this one is D1. That's surely the base of the whole thing.
No, it's the middle platform. That's the base over there.
Oh, all right. Wrong again. I'm sure it goes this way, like this, right?
No. This is the middle.
Oh, that's the middle.
So it's gonna go.
Yeah, the instructions don't really show which way. No, the ventilation's down. That's how you can tell. The vents right here are showing down. That's how you know the orientation. These instructions, I'll bring them in here close so you can see. They don't give a whole lot of written explanation, almost none. So you're just gonna have to be good at looking at pictures, which my wife, she prefers pictures to like instructions to be completely in pictures, but I like words. Then we shove it down in there.
Okay, so I think it goes this way because this little piece right here is gonna lock in to there.
See, that's why she's here helping me. Man, that's nice. I can understand needing a mallet if it doesn't lock in, but it looks like they're locking in pretty easy for you too, aren't they? Mm-hmm. I will admit this thing's going together faster than what I expected it to.
No, turn it around because this, and it needs to, there you go.
Dang it, love, you're making me look stupid in front of everyone. We should be timing this. It's really going by quick.
Okay, just like that.
Oh, hold on. Does it look to you like this is... No, no, because it's showing the underside of both.
This is, yeah.
It's showing, okay, that's right. It's showing it on the other side.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, it would have to be on this side because it's the way, this is the exterior of the box and this is the right angle for the down sloping roof and the cutout for the little balcony.
Hmm.
And this just snaps together so easily.
Yeah, this is one of the easier things I think maybe we've ever put together. And by the way, we've got an idea of where we want to put this, and I think it's fairly creative. It was originally Katie's idea, but we're going to try to have this inside somewhere. We're going to put it up kind of high. You'll have to stay tuned for that because that's probably not going to happen today, but maybe we'll be able to include it as part of this video.
I'm struggling to get this one. I'll let you snap all these ones in.
Yeah, I'm using quite a bit of body weight. We could probably use the mallet here and it would work well, but...
It looks like they just push down in. There's no snapping. They come off, but they don't fall off easily. They're not loose, but
It's just friction that holds
yeah,
them in.
just snug.
Oh, that one's pretty loose.
Is it?
Maybe another one. Yeah. The rest of them are pretty good, but these two I want to pull out. All right.
And the roof.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if this has a different direction. It looks the same to me.
There's something different here on the front. Look. Oh, is there vents or something? You see this? It doesn't have that over here. That's for water. You see where it's got the opening for water? So that would be at the back.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, that's, it's like it's a little gutter. Mm-hmm. All right. So when you do the top, can you see that down here there's no water channel, and up here there is? It's designed so the water can come out, and there's little holes on both sides.
Right in the corner.
Yes, you want that to be at the bottom of the slant. I know when we talked about putting some sort of cat houses in the location where we want to put this, how I said that I would just build them myself. Mm-hmm. This is a lot easier than building them myself.
And it was a very reasonable price in my opinion. Much cheaper than all the materials and time you're going to spend building one, unless you have free materials.
The description does say that it's insulated. I don't see...
No.
This thing's not insulated.
No.
But the description says it is, so take that for what it's worth. I mean, the compartments are small enough that if a cat gets in there and it's all enclosed, you know, cats handle the cold weather pretty well. And it has ventilation for when it's hot out, but I definitely would keep it in the shade, if at all possible, don't you think?
Yeah, definitely in the shade.
We're going to keep ours inside. Well, it's like an indoor-outdoor...
stairwell.
Yeah, it's indoor, but it's not climate controlled at all. That's our plan. All right, let's get these on.
The one thing I loved about this also is they have all the doors on the front, but then within each compartment there's a hole, so they could escape out a different door or move from compartment to compartment to snuggle with their buddies. Or
how do they get from one to the other?
There's a hole right here.
Oh, yeah.
So they can move.
I didn't even get that. I don't think the camera can see that. Here, I'll point it down so you can show. Go ahead and say that again.
So see my hand, how you can, I'm sticking it through. If the cat goes in the front door and maybe there's something out there it's running from, a predator of some sort, it can at least go through the interior and exit out a different door. Or like I said, it can go cuddle with its buddy or just move about just on the individual levels. It can't go from the second level down to the first, but
it allows enough separation too. Our cats don't cuddle. Like almost,
not much.
Yeah, they're like never cuddling each other. They like their own space. So that'll give them their own space, but also they can still move from cubby to cubby.
Yeah. Removable back is also nice because if it is in the summertime and maybe you have it against the wall of your house, it just allows more ventilation.
But it's a necessity for cleaning.
Yes, definitely for cleaning.
We're going to put on this last panel so you can see. Make sure that the vents are facing down, so that's the way that the water goes. Water doesn't get in. Oh, what I was saying is this is kind of a necessity for cleaning it. Mm-hmm. To get all the hair out, but also I'm sure you're going to put some sort of bedding in there.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Because you like your cats to be comfy. Mm-hmm. So, well, what do you think, love? That's it.
I'm happy with it.
It's complete. I'm actually pretty impressed.
Yeah.
Here, let's back this up a little bit.
The reason I wanted it mostly is when we're vacationing over the summer, I want them to have a place, because they're indoor-outdoor cats.
Here, let's turn it around.
Where they can get out of the wind, the rain, just have a more secure, happy place to sleep during the day, because they're usually in our house during the day sleeping, and then they're outside all day or all night hunting and playing. Or
these don't swing down very well. I mean, right now, so far, this is my only complaint, is that these doors, I think, are good. See, these ones down here work the way they're supposed to.
Yeah.
They work fairly well. I still think if we drilled the hole just a little bit. Should we try it? I mean, a lot of the times when you get anything like this, there's gonna be some slight modifications you need to make to get it to perform the way you want it to perform. You see my nut driver? There it is.
I'm not sure what that even is, Richard. Or even if we just snipped this little, I just snipped that little.
Should have probably had on glasses for that. Might use the file.
You should show them a close-up of what we're doing.
Will you show them with one of those others so that they know what not to do when this doesn't work?
All right, so each one of these little pegs that holds the door in, I don't know if you can see it. It's not a perfect cylinder. It has this little knob on it right there. Oh, there you can kind of see it. So we're just snipping that little extra bit off. So hopefully it will rotate in the hole more easily.
Yeah, let's see if that helped this one. Look at that. There we go. That's what we're after. Makes me want to take them all off.
Yeah. Because even the ones that were working well don't work quite as well as that, do they?
Well, should we try taking them both off of just this one?
Sure.
Because it still doesn't hang. It's still getting caught on something. Good idea, Toots.
Thanks.
The files work really nice for this too, by the way.
You could probably use sandpaper, or even if you don't have a file or sandpaper, like a emery board for your nails.
There you go.
Something, just a little nail file or something that would work.
Might take you a little bit longer, but it should get the job done. All right, let's see.
Definitely better.
Yeah, the one complaint I had about this, it's an easy fix. It's hanging nice.
Yeah.
Should I do the other two?
Yeah, so like if the cat's going all the way in.
And I don't think there's any risk really of it coming off of there either.
No, because you have to bend it in order just to get it into the holes.
Yeah. I mean, it might slide over enough that it kind of hits, but even that's not a big deal.
Right.
We're gonna touch up these other doors and we'll be back. All right, so we got the doors touched up, so now they all work really nice. It was quite easy. That's my only complaint was that those doors needed just a little bit of tweaking. And the only two tools that we needed for that were some snips. You don't really need those, but it saves you filing off those edges. So you snip off as much as you can and then you file off the remaining. And it works fine. Anything, love? Do you like it so far?
I am very happy with it. There are different color options and a slight size difference between options. I think this is the bigger version by like an inch. I liked this one because it was lighter, not like the black or the gray. Thought maybe it would help with heat, potentially.
If it was outside, that makes sense.
The lighter color. Plus
right.
It was cheaper.
Stay tuned and we're gonna get this thing situated to where we want it to go. If you've made it this far into the video, I just wanna say you're amazing first off, and thank you. And I just wanted to remind you, the cat house and anything else that I use in this video, there'll be links in the description, affiliate links if you're looking for that kind of stuff. And if you found any sort of value in this video, please like and subscribe. I appreciate that as well. You got something to say about anything in the video or otherwise, comment below. I'll have a conversation with you. That would be fantastic. Also, there'll be a link at the end of this video for what we ended up doing with the cat house, where we ended up putting it. We took it from cat house to penthouse. So if you happen to be interested, click on that video. I'm Richard. Until next time, bye.